The aviation maintenance program is very expansive. We are working with metal, we bent metal, we cut metal, and we have to be very on point with our measurements when we do it.
So the program is a true 2-year program. You'll start in the fall. You have 8 weeks of General 1, 8 weeks of General 2, so basically 16 weeks of general studies, electricity, physics, basic hardware and things like that. The next 32 weeks are the airframe portion. Airframe is a license or a rating that is issued by the FAA that allows you to work on the structure of the aircraft. After 32 weeks of airframe, they go into their power plant curriculum. Power plant is another rating that the FAA issues that allows you to work on aircraft engines. So at the end of the 2 years, you get a certificate of completion, which allows you to go and take your FAA tests for your accreditation. You have to pass your FAA tests to get your license. It's not something that we can issue here. Once you have both your A, your airframe license, and your P, your power plant license, you are eligible to work on U.S. certificated aircraft in the United States.